are back with another video, and today I will be doing the new series, it's the part 2 by the way, of doing flags of different countries and turning them into puzzles. We are not doing that small energy again. And let's do it now in 3, 2, 1, and one more thing. And also, idea by drama, of course, is Flag Critic. Thank you for doing this idea, Flag Critic. And let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. Oh. Ooh. I'm getting a hang of this. God dang it. The haters behind me, bro. We got this. Ooh. God dang it! Why is it not doing? Where's the last part? I'm missing something. I know I'm missing something. Really, it's this. Wait! I can't see good. I can't see. I'm just joking. You think I don't see good? I'm the opposite of blind. Listen to this. We got this. We got this. Do not fail on me. It's the 2-minute mark. It's the 2-minute mark. The people behind me are cheering. And he only said one word. I'm so confused. Let's go. Oh, no one's. I'm so confused. Who's the last one? Why are you deleting yourself? I have no... There we go. The haters are fuming right now. Let's do it. This is not when I'm falling. No, my... Where the god dang edges at? We got it. What is this flag? It's just an eagle! Is this the United States flag? I'm starting to believe that. I think this is the United States flag like it was, from the USR. USR, that was a stupid thing to say. I don't know, it looks something like, why is it so red? I'm getting red flashed right now. I can't even see anymore. It's just 5-minute mic. This is not the best speed run I ever did. Never give up, never what? Never back down, never what? Never give up. I'm walking in. Because this flag is horrible and horrendous, and I'm not looking at this flag the same way. Why is this so... This flag is bad for a puzzle. It's so much red. I feel like there's so many red pieces. This is so bad for a puzzle because there's so many red pieces. This flag is so bad for a puzzle. Not offend anybody in this country, but it's bad for a puzzle. I'm not joking. It's bad for a puzzle. I can't tell where I'm going. Where am I? What am I doing? Why is the foot here? It's supposed to be here. I am so confused where I am anymore because this doesn't belong here, but it does belong there in the same time. I don't understand. Is this piece? This is in the wrong place. Of course. We're almost there. We're almost there. Don't give up. Never give up. Never what? Never back down. Now we're missing a piece. It's over here. There's so many black and red. I feel like I'm getting flashed by both of them. But that does belong there. Does it belong here? I have no idea what I'm doing in this point. This is about to be 11 minutes long. I'm 100% sure. Oh my god, this is the longest I've been. This is the longest video I almost did. I'm pretty sure because this puzzle's so hard to do. Do not look in the corner because it says hard mode and to me, this is not that hard. Except for the freaking symbols. The symbols so difficult. Everything is so hard, bruh. I don't know what I'm even doing at this point. Where did this go? Oh, there we go. As when we went somewhere. We went where? Somewhere. Like I don't understand. That's for sure. Help me with this. I don't know what to do. This is so difficult. I really do not understand. What this flag is so hard. It's just so difficult. Does this go here? This doesn't belong here. Oh my Jesus! That took a while. 9 minutes? 8 minutes to complete this? That's how you know this puzzle's rigged. Oh my god. This is so difficult. This is so difficult. This is so difficult. Literally, the freaking puzzle took took 8 minutes. Oh my god, that's the longest time I ever took of doing a puzzle. That's, oh my god. I'll see you in the next puzzle flag or whatever puzzles, but I'm gonna tell you a secret. I'm joking. I'm not telling you yet. But see you in the next video. Bye.